In front of me is ONEPLUS Open, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher to activate it. Following that, follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. As you can see, mine is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. If you want to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!